Welcome to Farmsteading with Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and my channel focuses on the simple joys of country living. Join me as I take you on a journey and show you how to embrace the beauty of nature, gardening, preserving food, baking, raising chickens, creating your own household and hygiene products, and so much more for both family and sale. Growing up as an Okie girl from Oklahoma, my parents taught us kids two things. Number one, to always keep Jesus in our heart. Number two is just to enjoy the simple things in life. So naturally, I brought all the things that I learned from my childhood and brought it into my household. So sit back and enjoy my channel and just keep life country simple. Right, so I'm here at my mama's house and we are going to make one of my favorite cakes, and that is called the cocoa apple cake. And so she's got the ingredients already measured out. As you can see, she's already got the apples grated and pecans chopped and got all the other ingredients already measured out. And so what you're going to do, you're going to want to preheat your oven to, is it 350 degrees.
First thing we add is our 1 cup of butter. And we start our mixer to cream that.
This is a bundt cake.
Cream the butter and add 2 cups of sugar. Need 3 eggs. I'll try to put one at a time. Have a half a cup of water and a tablespoon of vanilla.
Ooh, that come out in the bang.
We splatter like I usually do. Need to scrape down the bowl. And while I've got it up, I'm going to add, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll just add about 1/3 of that.
Now, if that was at my house, flour would go flying when I turn.
Well, I've got some there already. Start out slow so it don't go everywhere. That's blended in pretty good. We'll add, we have a teaspoon of soda, a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa. And there goes the cloud. I should have slowed it down before I put that in. But that's typically the way I do it. Just scrape it down again.
It already looks good. Of course, I'm a chocoholic, so it looks yummy.
Now then, I'm just going to dump it all in at one time. We have a cup of chopped pecans, a half a cup of chocolate chips, and 2 cups of chopped apple. I'll try to start slow this go round. Very simple. It takes more time to get everything measured out than it does to put it together.
That looks good. She's already sprayed her pan. I think she said that earlier. We use Baker's Joy.
And our oven is ready, so in the oven for 1 hour, I believe it is. Bake it, 325 for 60 to 70 minutes. So I've got to,
Whoop, we can go down. Most of the stuff that we fix is at 350, so that's just a habit. We'll go down to 325. Okay. Into the oven we go for an hour. The cake is finally done, and it's got to cool, and then I'm definitely going to get me a big piece. It's pretty. So guys, if you enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and put it in the comments. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to have another video. And so guys, I will see you on Wednesday at 4 p.m. for an episode of Susie's Secret Recipes, and then on Saturdays at 10 a.m. for Memories and Stories of the Past. So may God bless you, and happy trails.